Hey, this is Logan here for VacBin, and today we're going to be doing some carpet cleaning with the Hoover Smartwash Pet Complete carpet cleaner. Now, as you can see, I've already filled up my tanks, but let's go to the sink to show you how to fill up yours. Alright, now we're at the sink and it's time to fill up our tanks. We've got 3 tanks to fill up today. The Pretreator wand tank, the concentrated solution tank, and the clean water tank. The really cool thing about the Smartwash is that it will automatically mix the concentrated detergent and the water within the machine, so you don't have to do any of the mixing by yourself. And if you want to rinse the carpets, all you do is just remove the solution tank and then run the Smartwash back and forth over your carpet again, and all that will come out is clean water. So with that, let's fill up the tank. It's extremely easy. We're just going to take the tank, unscrew the lid, and fill it up all the way. I'm using hot water here. You can use cold, lukewarm, warm. Don't use boiling hot water. Don't use an electric kettle. But, you know, as hot as it comes out of the tap, if you want to run it for 30 seconds or so, that'll be just perfect for getting your carpets or upholstery nice and clean. I'll stop this about now and fill up the rest after the video is done. Next we have the solution tank, and for this we're going to be using the Hoover Oxy Permanent Stain Removal formula. This is extremely simple. Because we are using a Hoover recent machine with a dedicated solution tank, we do not need the measuring cup. Instead, all we do is unscrew this cap here and fill her up. I will add, it is very easy to spill, so be careful, take your time. I just spilled some, but do it over your sink. Don't do this over your floor, because this can stain. This is great on your carpet in limited quantities mixed with water, not very much if you pour it directly on your carpet. I'm going to rinse off any of the soapy suds that I may have spilled on the outside here, and then put this off to the side. And finally, cap this up, and we have the last formula to fill. That is our Pretreator wand. So we're going to pull off the top here. It's got a nice little hose. We are going to open the spot chaser. Now this is the official Hoover stuff that comes in the box with the machine. You can also just take any Pretreator solution. Some are a little foamier than others. My personal favorite is Zep carpet cleaner formula that you can find at Home Depot. It is much cheaper and it works fantastic as a pre-treater. Alright, so now if I could just get that foil off. My finger's a little slippery. And we are just going to pour some in right here. Not too much. I'm not going to use too much. And that's all you got to do. Final step. Put the cap back on. And there you go. All 3 solution tanks are pre-filled and ready for the machine. Alright, now to install your tanks, it's quite easy. We're going to start with the solution tank here, holding it upside down until the very last second. And on the back of the machine, just going to turn it upside down, click it right into place. For our pre-treater tank, it just snaps right in, you'll hear it click. And then finally, we have our clean water tank, which goes right on the front of the machine. And there you go. Now, let's pre-treat. Alright, so I have some spots to pre-treat right here and there, and it's extremely easy to pre-treat. All you gotta do is press this gray button that says Spot Chaser Wand, and pull up, and the wand comes out. And then this button right here on the front activates a sprayer down on the very end. So, give it a second to prime, and there you go. Let's get a little bit in there. Now it does continue spraying after you let go, so be a little careful. I'm gonna go pre-treat a few more spots that aren't on camera, then we're gonna come back and finally wash the carpets. Now, actually cleaning your carpets with this unit is extremely simple. All we're going to do, grab the cord so we don't run it over, tip it back, and press the power button. Now, something you'll notice, and I'll show you with a different shot here in a sec, is when you push it forward, you're going to see these little lights change over here. When the green light is on, it is drying. And this comes on when the unit is still or when you're pulling it back. When you're pushing it forward, however, a different blue light will come on that shows it's pushing water down onto the carpet. Once again, I'll show you this in a different shot, along with showing you some shots of it picking up water, but there's no triggers, no squeezing, no guessing. If you don't know how to clean a carpet, this is by far the easiest way to do it. So with that, let's get started. Something that's extremely cool on this carpet cleaner, the dry only button. With a press of this button, and the ring will turn green, the machine will be in dry only mode. So no matter whether I push it forward or backward, no water will be put down on the carpet and it will only suck. Let me demonstrate. Now, it's time to go over this area again, but with the dry only setting. Once again, I'll be using the dry only, so any water you see being picked up is just water that remained in the carpet. This mode is awesome because it lets your carpets dry in under an hour. As you can see, we ended up pulling more water out of the carpet during that dry only pass. Now let's take a look at how the water looks after it's been through my carpet. As you can see, this water is pretty disgusting that it pulled out of my carpet. So let's fix that. Easy little latch on the back, you just click up. And then, just like that, all the water gets dumped out. And there you go. That was carpet cleaning on the Hoover Smartwash Pet Complete. For more videos, please check out VacBin, where you can see unboxing, using this guy on upholstery. You can see other vacuums, carpet cleaners. Once again, check out the channel, VacBin. Tons of great carpet cleaner and vacuum content. This has been Logan here. Thanks for watching.